Ever wondered how to tackle the mammoth task of detecting and responding to network threats in real time? The sheer volume and complexity of network traffic today can make manual detection seem like finding a needle in a digital haystack. Enter the world of network detection and response, or NDR, a critical cybersecurity tool that's making waves. Picture this. It's an average day, and network traffic is pouring in at breakneck speeds. For humans, attempting to manually comb through this data is like trying to count individual grains of sand on a beach. Not to mention, the traditional security measures can often fall short against the ever-evolving threats. This is where NDR steps in, like a vigilant sentinel, ever watchful, ever ready. Also known as network traffic analysis, NDR is a continuous surveillance system for network traffic. It's a potent blend of hardware and software solutions, employing cutting-edge technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence to sniff out suspicious activity. So, how does NDR work? It's a blend of various mechanisms working in harmony. Machine learning algorithms analyze network traffic patterns, identifying any anomalies that deviate from the norm. It's like having a detective with an infallible memory, tirelessly sifting through clues and patterns. Then there's behavioral analytics. By keeping a keen eye on user and device behavior, NDR can spot any deviations from established norms, signaling potential threats. It's akin to a seasoned beat cop, well acquainted with the daily rhythm of the neighborhood and instantaneously noticing anything out of place. And when suspicious activity is detected, NDR systems spring into action, issuing real-time alerts that enable swift responses to potential threats. It's like having a rapid response unit at your disposal, ready to jump into action at a moment's notice. Let's look at a real-world example of NDR in action. In 2019, a major corporation fell victim to a cyber attack. Despite having traditional security measures in place, the attackers managed to infiltrate the network. However, their victory was short-lived. The company's NDR system detected the anomalous behavior and triggered an alert. Security personnel quickly isolated the compromised systems, preventing further damage. This incident highlights the vital role NDR plays in today's cybersecurity landscape. In conclusion, NDR, with its blend of hardware and software components and advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, serves as a formidable line of defense against cyber threats. It enables organizations to proactively detect and respond to network intrusions, shielding precious data from prying eyes. In the face of increasingly sophisticated threats, NDR stands tall, a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity strategies, a beacon of hope in the murky waters of the digital world. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Demystify Tech for more insights into the world of technology and cybersecurity. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying up to date is no longer an option but a necessity. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be at the forefront of the latest trends, advancements, and strategies in the cybersecurity world. Our aim is to demystify the complex world of technology and cybersecurity, making it accessible to everyone. From the latest in network detection and response to other cutting-edge cybersecurity strategies, we've got you covered. So don't wait. Stay ahead of the curve with Demystify Tech. Subscribe now